focus to Chandrababu Naidu and the developments taking place in the case. जानकारी ये मिल रही है कि अब टीडीपी और आंध्र प्रदेश की सरकार आमने सामने हैं और कई बार हमने देखा कि वार प्रतिवार और आरोप प्रत्यारोप का दौर चलता रहा है। 371 करोड़ रुपए का जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट स्कैम है, इसी स्कैम में चंद्रबाबू नायडू की गिरफ्तारी हुई। आज बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सुनवाई होने वाली है कोर्ट में, क्योंकि चंद्रबाबू नायडू को सेंट्रल जेल से हाउस अरेस्ट में भेजा जाए या नहीं, इस पर फैसला होगा। उनकी टीम ने कोर्ट से दरख्वास्त की थी कि चंद्रबाबू नायडू को आप घर में नजरबंद कीजिए, हाउस अरेस्ट पर रखिए, तो वो पिटिशन आज सुनी जाएगी। एक्सप्रेसिंग कंसर्न फॉर हिज सेफ्टी, चंद्रबाबू नायडू हैज क्लेम्ड दैट डेंजरस क्रिमिनल्स इनकार्सरेटेड इन प्रिजन पोज अ थ्रेट टू हिज लाइफ। जान को खतरा उनकी टीम बता रही है। साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि उनकी सुरक्षा को लेकर जेल में शायद ठीक से व्यवस्था न की जाए, शक है उन्हें इस बात पर, और राज्य सरकार पर भरोसा करने को वो तैयार नहीं है। जहां तक बात राज्य सरकार की है, द गवर्नमेंट हैज अपोज्ड द आइडिया ऑफ हाउस रिमांड, स्टेटिंग दैट देयर इज नो प्रोविजन फॉर इट अंडर द सीआरपीसी। दे हैव आल्सो एम्फसाइज्ड दैट नायडू वुड बी प्रोवाइडेड ग्रेटर सिक्योरिटी इन जेल दैन इन हिज ओन हाउस।
If every criminal is allowed to, is not put in the jail. If somebody tomorrow you do something, you say that I don't go to jail. Give me a bangla, give me every facility. If somebody involves in economic offences, if somebody involves in corruption charges, after hundreds of crores siphoning, if I am put in a bungalow, I would be also tempted to do that. That is the only reason, not against anyone.
Home Affairs, Union Home Affairs gave a special category protection to him, for which the special category protection, NSC security, should be covered to his life threat. He is a highly risk person, for which even in the jail or elsewhere, wherever he is going, movement or elsewhere, the special security force should be accompanied to him. Under these circumstances, I hope the Honorable Court will give favorable orders in favor of the Chandrababu Naidu.
ममता बनर्जी दरअसल चंद्रबाबू नायडू के सपोर्ट में सामने आई हैं और उन्होंने कहा है कि ये केवल राजनीतिक रंजिश है। और चंद्रबाबू नायडू के बेटे नारा लोकेश की भी प्रतिक्रिया सामने आ रही है, जहां वो खुलकर जगन मोहन सरकार को जिम्मेदार ठहरा रहे हैं। कह रहे हैं कि जानबूझकर उनके परिवार को टारगेट किया गया।
They have not been able to prove anything in it. In fact, there was an ED investigation in the past on this case, and ED has clearly stated that there is no money laundering in this case. I mean, if you look at this, it's quite funny. Which is the agency that has investigated? It's CID, which is a state investigative agency. Right? It's filled with his henchmen. I think for the last 2.5 years, this is a name that we've given him because of his erratic behavior. And arresting Mr. Naidu is one such erratic behavior. So therefore, I think it's fair that we can call him a psycho Jagan or a psycho chief minister.
Well, we have Soumya joining us in the broadcast with more details. Those, of course, are reactions coming in from family members and those who are in support of Chandrababu Naidu, saying this is political vengeance. But it's a very important hearing in the court today, Soumya, isn't it, on transferring Chandrababu Naidu from jail to house arrest?
Well, this massive political drama erupted after, he was picked up, and later, several developments took place, and he was sent to the judicial custody for 14 days, and the statewide ban call was given. The war between the ACB and the TDP is on, and one side, TDP is alleging that it's an, illegal arrest made by the, ACB as part, mainly targeting TDP, and this is nothing but vendetta politics. And when it comes to the ACB, they're saying that enough evidence is there, and that is the reason court has sent him to the prison. And, yesterday, immediately after, it was day before yesterday, immediately after he was awarded 14 days judicial custody, TDP legal cell has moved 2 petitions, including house arrest petition. And yesterday, after detailed documents, court has reserved the order. And today, it is expected, the court said that it will be pronouncing judgment. So we have to wait and see whether, Babu will remain in the Rajamandri Central Prison, or from there he will be shifted to his residence and will be kept under house arrest. Right. Because immediately after that they are also going to move the bail petition.
All right, Soumya, keep tracking all the developments. We'll come back to you for more updates. For now, let's listen into this reaction coming in from both sides. YSRCP, जो कि जगन मोहन रेड्डी की पार्टी है और आंध्र प्रदेश में जिनकी सरकार है, उनका ये कहना है कि कोई भी कानून से ऊपर नहीं है। दूसरी तरफ टीडीपी की तरफ से आर्गुमेंट दिया जा रहा है कि सबूत ही नहीं है चंद्रबाबू नायडू के खिलाफ।
It is a black day in the history of Andhra Pradesh. our National Party President and former Chief Minister Sri N Chandrababu Naidu garu was illegally arrested and sent to jail yesterday late in the evening without producing any kind of evidence in the court. We were surprised and shocked. I have with me the 30-page copy of the remand report submitted by the Jagan Reddy's government. There is not even a single line in this 30-page report to prove that Chandrababu Naidu garu had committed any kind of corruption.
Government funds were diverted through various shell companies and finally gone in the hands of Chandrababu Naidu and his benomics, wherein we have substantial evidence